Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 FA608. To have a look at the internals of this gaming laptop, you have to undo 11 Phillips head screws. The one in the bottom right edge is captive, and it will raise the panel up in this area, which eases the whole disassembly process. Pry the front, the sides, and the rear with a thin plastic tool. There are dust filters in front of the two vents on the inside of the bottom panel, alongside numerous plastic elements that enhance the internal structural support. This notebook is equipped with a 90-watt-hour battery. To detach it, slide up the small metal cap on top to release the connector. Wear gloves to avoid short circuits. Carefully lift the connector by its sides with the aid of plastic tools. Then, undo the 4 Phillips head screws that secure the battery in place. The capacity is enough for around 8 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu. The Performance mode is turned on in the Armory Crate app, and the DC fan operation mode is set to Windows preset. That's a compact gaming device, and that's why the memory is soldered. Still, you get up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 7,500 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode, which is plenty. For storage, you can rely on 2 M.2 slots compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The right one offers twice as many PCIe lanes than the other one. Speaking of which, the presence of the Wi-Fi 6E card in front of the left SSD slot still amazes us in a negative way. If you install an NVMe there, it'll cover almost the entire wireless card, which could lead to connection problems. The system NVMe, which has a plastic film on top, is wrapped in a heat shield. The cooling seems potent. It has 2 arc flow fans, 5 heat pipes shared between the CPU and the GPU, 3 large heat sinks on top, and many heat spreaders.